Welcome to the Davis Show. Of course, I go by the name Christmas. You already know I'm doing the best show, even James knows. Otherwise, on sound and camera, this thing as usual. I've got my man James and on my right, I've got my man Ganda do one story at the time and one testimony at a time. If you're new to the channel, where have you been? Please subscribe, press the notification bell as well as join the membership and also donate our detailed show after the disclaimer. Thank you so much to those who are doing that. It's highly appreciated to watch the episode until the end, and please don't skip the ads. And thank you so much to those who are doing that. Siyabonga kakhulu. Before you watch the episode, please like. If you never subscribe, please subscribe to our channel. Yeah, James, this is one of the episodes where you say your kids must be in front of the TV, then they watch this kind of episode. It's that time.
Yeah, it's those type of episodes when Chris. Those there's a talk you could see. It's real talk, you know. It's khulunywa ngento enzekayo, into that's out there. You know, and into kungamelanga sibe ignorant to zona, you know, because at the end of the day,
because our society,
they affect. So sit down and listen.
Amen.
Yeah.
Tata. Ayusedlile.
Yeah, sibonga ukudla. Yeah, no, hi. Njengoba ushilo, it's one of those episodes vele kudinga ukuthi abantwana bafunde, nathi abantu abadala, not only abantwana. Abantu abadala kumele bafunde babone ukuthi emhlabeni kunjani. Ukuthi iziphi izinto ekumele bayiqaphele, bazi-avoid ukuthi bangafiki le emkoti.
Khuluma into ongayi-understand ndoda. Yabo nje into eyikhulumayo iy'nombolo and umuntu okuyinombolo engakushaya. Ngiyakutshela khuluma into ongazazi. My brother, welcome to the show. It's been a long time. Thank you so much for coming. Siyakwamukela my brother. Sibonga kakhulu ukuthi usinikele lithuba lokuthi sihlale phansi nawe again sikhulume nale youth yamanje ethi life is very easy. Umuntu uzoganga ejele afike aphile nje kamnandi aphinde aphume impilo yena nje ukuthi impilo izoqhubeka, i-criminal record ngeke im-affect. Bengithanda ukuthi namhlanje sikhulume ukuthi kahle because siyakhuluma ngejele is fine, but ake silithinte nalo siphinde sikhulume indaba ukuthi i-criminal record uma umuntu ke soyenza i-crime encane ugcina usune-criminal record, ik-affecta kanjani empilweni yakho nje?
I-criminal record mfethu ivala iminyaka eminingi. Kokuqala nje ngiqale ngokubingelela, bengingakabingeleli, angingabihlaza, ngicela ukubingelela kubo bonke abantu ababukayo nabalalele. Sibonga ukuthi siphinde sibizwe la.
Ngase it's audible enough. Oh, okay.
Sibonga ukuthi siphinde sibizwe la ekhaya. Asiqale ngokuthi i-criminal record bro iyayiphazamisa impilo. More especially kwi-society lapho sidependela khona ekuthenini sibe employed. Yabo, majority ama-masses sabantu abakholelwa ekuthenini kumele siqashwe. Akuthina sonke sine-business acumen engasiphilisa. Yabo leyo nto leyo. So uma umuntu onjalo ngithanda ukusho ngidlalela kude nento ezizokwenza ube ne-criminal record because ukuqasheka kunzima kukodwa. Yabo leyo nto. Ukuqashwa i-state it's almost impossible mawune criminal record. Yabo leyo nto leyo. Kodwa in today's time asiyeke ukuba mamenemene sibe neqiniso. I think mina in today's time kuya ngokuthi ubani wazi ubani. Yabo leyo nto. Because to cut the long story short, siyawabona ama ex-offender ase-parliament today. So if kune ex-offender kwazi ukuba se-parliament, why sizoyiziba i-criminal record yalo bese kuthi lo umuntu kazana simcindezele nge-criminal record? Yebo ukuthi lento le inama double standards kahle. mawunemali enough uyakwazi ukuyiwipe off i-criminal record. Kuya ngokuthi ubani eSouth Africa mfethu i-system yala eSouth Africa rigged sibali. Uma uhlupheka yonke into eyobunzima nobuhlungu iyohlezi wela kuwena.
Sikhuluma nabantu abahluphekayo ukuthi bengaze befike lezi zinto ezibhedayo.
Ilento engisho ngithi mawuhlupheka dlalela kude nalezi zinto ngoba kuyoba nzima ukuthi uphume. Nginokuzwa abanye bethi after 10 years yawipe ibingasekho angazi anginaso isiqiniseko because ngike ngaba nabangani before ababekuleso simo even after 10 years icala i-record ibisamile. Yabo. So nje masingaye kuloku esiqamba manga sikhuluma iqiniso kuya ngokuthi ubani unamalini wazobani. Like isimple lento nonke niyibona. If kune ex offender eselibi cabinet ukuthi criminal record yakhe yavele yashabalala. Mawukuthi yashabalala it's because of ama powers anawo. Ama connections anawo amenza ukuthi isuke leyo nto.
Usebenza kakhulu usebenza umsebenzi wakho kuba ukugada abantu ababoshiwe. Ngokwakho mawubheka isystem yalapha is it fair?
Ayikho into efair emhlabeni Chris. Ayikho into efair emhlabeni. Even nakhona emajele njengoba uhlaluzo ngasho kwi previous episode lesa nganyila kuyona ukuthi imali yakuprotect ejele. Yeah, understand. So mangisho leyo nto ngithi imali yakuprotect ejele. Ucabanga ukuthi lo nemali u-equivalent to lo ngenamali. Abalingani ne. So mawungibuza ngefairness yasejele already nedasa ngikuphendulile. Ayikho ifairness.
But if you kanjani indaba ukuthi angithi ngizama ukuya kule system uthi but the system was designed ukuthi umuntu owenze icrime emphakathini ajeze. So lo muntu asikhuluma ngeordinary person othi manje wenza icrime waboshwa wena ngokwakho mawubheka indlela afika treateke ngayo ejele.
Unemali noma akanamali because naleyo ordinary person iyaba nemali phela.
Yeah.
Someone owns a crime. By I guess you work at a prison as a warden. So I want to, from your point of view, umuntu owns a crime, do they go to jail to get rehabilitated or to like is it a punishment or kumele umuntu abuye a reformed?
Ufuna iphendule ngokweqiniso noma iphendule by the book? Ngokweqiniso ne.
Yeah.
Hey ngizothola i-backlash for lento ngizoyisho but ivari la. Man, I don't think there's any kind of rehabilitation labafethu abayithola ejele. If you were to ask me. Yabo? Why ngisho kanje? Not so long ago, James. Kwakune riot inkathi former president uZuma eboshiwe. Ngakhumbula kwenzakalani kwi-country kwavalwa imizila yonke. I understand kwaluthwa kwenziwani. Labo bantu ababelutha lapho. Uyazi ukuthi baningi kanjani abantu ababelutha abathola ama criminal record bro. And uthola lo muntu akaza rape, lo muntu akasi menace to society, lo muntu bra akasi threat to nobody. Yeah, I understand. But because of unemployment, because of ukungabibikho kwama resources, ukungabibikho kwemali, ithuba la presenter at that particular moment. I understand. Bahamba bayolutha. Mabebanjwe beboshwa labo bantu, yini oyo rehabilitate lapho? Sengibuza nina. What's there to rehabilitate? To someone who attend isonto, obaba enganeni zakhe, omalume kuba bashana bakhe, oyindodana ekhaya kubo, or umkhwenyana emfazini wakhe. But ngesimo se lockdown wabanjwa waboshwa. Lo muntu loyo sithini ngaye? Yini ese rehabilitate again? So kahle ngifuna by me saying this ngizama ukunikhombisa ukuthi ejele kuboshiwa abantu abacruel kuphela. I understand le nto leyo. Baningi abantu abafrayingiwe ababoshiwe. A good somebody wafraynywa waliqoka lamfanele icala. maye ngaphakathi ejele, what's there to rehabilitate? James for instance or Nakana intombazana ulale nayo manje besivuka ithi uyirapile. Uyazazi uyi-outer grand. Nonke niyamazi uyi-outer grand. But mayise police station ekhali inyembezi umuntu wesifazane ethungdlwengulile. And isimeni yakhe kuyena ngaphakathi futhi ngoba benivumelene the time have sex, right? Mayise fika lapha nodokotela emcheck kuyabonakala ifriction ikhona nesidoda sakho sikhona phakathi. Yazi ukuthi ngisho ngathi uphi umentabeni kangakanani ukuthi awurapanga. Ayekho umuntu yokurescue from that unless une tape engakukhombisa ukuthi bekuyi casual sex le. So if ungene ngaleyo ndlela ejele, what's there to rehabilitate? My point exactly. So mawubuza mina ingako ngishilo ekuqaleni mangiphendula umbuzo ukuthi ufuna ngikuphendule by the book noma ufuna ngikuphendule ngeqiniso, yabo. Mina from into engiyibona ngamehla angiyibona rehabilitation kawo. Instead ngibona ku creator ama monster bro. Yabo. Ku creator ama monsters. Mina as umuntu osebenza emilitary ngaphinde ngasebenza nase correctional. U2% wombono wami. If besifuna rehabilitation ne kulezi zinto nezama teenagers siqale ngazo nje. Bekungamele eboshwe. Bekumele ngabe kwi country kunama military schools are operator ya function 100%. Are well funded by state. You understand? And bekumele ngabe ama public servants akhokhelwa kangcono so that mabe execute imisebenzi yabo abadinge bribe abadinge kwenza izinto ze corruption. Reason why kune corruption engaka ama public servants si underpaid. You understand le? So mina ngokwami bengithi lezi ingane zamahlongandle bezingalaleli ezinjani uke waba na 18 uke waba na 19 uke waba below that age bro, you understand? Njengamanje njengoba indlela yami yak 40 years mawungibuza ngosihle owayephile i-teenager bro wayengazi lutho leyo sihle, you understand? And angeke uzukwazi ukubeka amaphutha leyo sihle empilweni yami today. Sabantu ababili abangafani, yayibona leyo nto le. So ukubana ugovernment ubeyikhathalele youth, I feel ukuthi bekumele kube nama military schools, ma military camps afunctionayo and I instill a discipline, you understand? Abantu abaqashwa kulawo ma military schools baqashwe on merits, bengaqashwa based on ukuthi balale nobani, ba bribe obani, bazana nobani, yabo. Ngaleyo ndlela lezi zinto anehluphayo kwi country bekuzothi maqala kuhlupha lapha kwi military school uthola ukuthi ukufunda alone it's compulsory, you understand? Whatever yenziwa khona it's compulsory. Bra mina ngibile isosha for 11 years dog. Ngiyayazi impilo yalapha. Bayakwazi ukushintsha umuntu lapha. If bebefuna ukubona irehabilitation yangempela bekumele youth noma mawukuthi uhlulwa isikole yabo bekuthatha bekuphose army. Uphekwe ubufundiswa lapha earmy. Yayibona lento le. And bekumele kube ukuthi each and every citizen mayiba na 18 years plus kube compulsory ukuthi joine ama arm of services. Mangithi ama arm of services ngibala yonke security cluster ka government. Army, SAPS, correctional, PRASA, customs, the list goes on. Yabo leyo nto le. So mina bengithi ngo2% wami instead of lo siqamba manga siqambela nesizwe manga sithi kune rehabilitation etholakala correctional services. Bekumele kube compulsory ukuthi umuntu mayeqeda isikole at least asave 2 noma 3 years under i-arm of service, you understand? Ngaloko ngigada ukuthi ngiyaphi nakho bese so producer isizwe esinabantu abadisciplined, number 1. Number 2, bese producer i-nation enabantu abakwazi ukuyidefend. Majority ama South Africans when it comes to ama artillery abana clue kwenzakalani khona, you understand le nto le? To an extent ukuthi even namanye ama members esiqoka nawo lama uniform makungathuba beka shooting range uthi abayodubula kuTumpotiyane, they don't know what's happening. Ivar akusiya manga lento engikhulumayo, yabo. So mina angiyiboni irehabilitation. Okay, bayasho ukuthi ikhona ne on paper, but mina practically since ngila Brian angiyiboni that much bekumele kube compulsory nje ukuthi lonke citizen male or female maliqeda isigele liserve under army mhlambe mawungena under leyo army meanwhile ufundisa ubusosha uenrollile tertiary yabo it's not like leminyaka wespenda kule arm of service ustakile uyakujagila kokubili yabo bekumele kube into kanjalo but manje ngoba mawungathi uyabheka kwi country from kwi head of state abanandaba nathi labantu you understand is safety ye citizen they don't care yabo le nto leyo bro ukubande bebe nayo indaba bengabe lezi zinto engisho in place kufana nani nale influx yama refugees bengabe controllable if that was the case you understand I patriotism yama South Africans ibizobe kuma steroids ikubani lento engisho ibiyenzeka yabo le nto le so njengamanje siyisizwe singena patriotism siyisizwe mfethu esingenayo even self belief asiyithandi nokuyithanda as abantu as a race you understand so nje long story short bafethu ukubani lezi zinto engisho ukuthi bekumele sibe compulsory bezi in place le influx ama foreigners ngaba yikho ngalendlela engakhona because bekuzobe kunama refugee camps in place ngizokubuza namhlanje ngithi iphi refugee camp eSouth Africa yokugcina abantu abasikhi asylum akekho ngangikhombisa ngisho yodwa phela abantu laba bafika bebaleke emazweni abo kumele befike bathole ispace kuma refugee camps not ukuthi bezohlala nathi endaweni esihlala kuzona you understand but today akekho noyedwa concerned about ama refugee camps bro you understand ngakayisho lento ngelinye ilanga ngathi as ama South Africans the government of the day bra is depoliticized as a nation asikwazi ukuyikona ukusifanele nokungasifanele asikwazi ukuyikona kumele sikumele nokungamele sikumele yayibona leyo nto le sifuqwe ngama drugs safuqwa ngotshwala safuqwa ngama brothel safuqwa ngento eziningi ezingeze zibenefit ama future generations sure yeah
like I've been thinking like ngiyibuza ukuthi why is it so difficult as a Africa for a person to angene esiphoyiseni or ebusojeni or prison wall like I feel like it's difficult ukuthi umuntu nje uyouth or umuntu oceda isikolo athi ufumba iphoyisa ngathi kunzima ungena mawucabanga khona mhlawumbe izizathu salokho re
Mngana yabo angikwazi ukuhlala kulama platform bese ngikhuluma izinto ezingelona iqiniso ne yeah if ukuthi ngizothatha ipunch for lento akube njalo mngana ngizoyikhuluma ngingasabi lento ngizokwenza ifike ngizoyithatha le punch ku department engiyisebenzela currently ne I do feel ukuthi makhishwa ku advertise ama post ku public kusuke kuyi uniformity kusuke kugcina icala ukuthi kuthiwe sikwenzile yabo mfethu ngizoba brutally honest kule yabo ongizondayo akahamba oyishawudo ngeni mfethu kwi center ngisebenza kuyona mina I'm the youngest member kwi center and angeke ngiyifihle iminyaka yami currently ngina 35 you understand it pains me emoyeni wami mfethu abantu engisebenza nabo abangijwayela abanye bengakutshela nginokuyikhuluma lento nabo ukuthi angikwazi ukuthi at the age of 35 bro I'm the youngest member ekhona kwi center umuntu ona 34 kuya kubantu abana 18 baphi you understand and into ozoyithola ne ayakhishwa lama form lama post kwi public ne mase kuqashwa mfethu so lethe izalukwazi ezikhathele ndoda makuthiwa kubuya ama students e college kuqhamuka izalukwazi mfethu ezinengane ezu3 okulenga ukhathele dog you understand uyibuza ukuthi makuqashwa labantu iyouth yona iphi and yazi baqashwa kanjani bro wami based on nepotism based on ukulalwa nokubribe yayizwa leyo nto le uzothola makuthiwa kulindwa ama students aphuma ecollege kuqhamuka abafazi bama member kuqhamuka izihlobo zama member qhamuka izingane zama member you understand bese kuba yilabo ababribile or laba balaliwe you understand usuku unenhlanhla eyisimanga sithusa usathane ube khona kuleso squad ukuthi ungene ungenzanga lutho bakhona ungizwe kahle bakhona abangena ngenhlanhla yabo yabo kodwa ungababala ngesandla mfethu abandile yabo earmy ibikhona nepotism ne mangisasekhona ne hayi but ibingekho rife njengala ngikhona manje hayi manje bra hayi la ngikhona bra like bakwenzela ubone bukhoma ukuthi yabo mina ukubana ngifakwanga ukuthi mhlambe kwaba ukushintsha ama departments ngiphume earmy ngiza ngala ngize ngene kule department njengobusho nawo ukuthi akungeneki namanje kunzima ukuthi uqasheke kule department engisebenza kuyona ne but kulula ukuthi uxosheke yabo mina njengoba ngumuntu ongasabi ukukhuluma ivar kanje nongasabi ukukhuluma from the heart ningamangali in future manihlangabezana nezitori zokuthi mhlambe kuthiwe ngiyamokola ngingaframeka this level of honesty ayifuneki ebantwini abaningi and most abantu engikhuluma abazobe beyilalela lento bayi result lalezi zinto engikhuluma ngazo bayi product yabo nepotism bribe or sexual favors so mangizokhuluma kanje vele kuzoyishaya inevu yabo if more especially vele uyibeneficiary yayo lento yabo so vele into efana nokuthi kuthiwe ngibanjwe kuthiwa mina ngiyakutshela point blank angigange emsebenzini mina bro wami angisoze nginotiswe ukuganga ejele yayizwa leyo nto le but bengakwenza kubukeke sengazathi ngiyaganga
yabo ikhandi kufanele
simply because ngumuntu outspoken you understand defamation of character you understand izinto lezo ezingekho kude nami yabo leyo nto le it's just that ngumuntu ongekho omningi ngoma groove yes ngiyabvakashela ngaleso sikhathi utshwala yabo ngisina nomuntu omningi etshwaleni it's just that angikho we crowd that much yabo but makungathiwa ngishintsha impilo yami nje ngibe umuntu osesixukwini ngalulu ukungiframe ngalulu ukungibhayizisa nifana nokungiset up ngentombazana ubani ngumuntu mhlawumbe ongakwazi ukuvala uzipho wakhe trust me bengakwenza izinto ezifana noma rape defamation of character kuthiwa ngibanjwe ngimokola njengoba ngumuntu oringa ivar kanje ningamangali kuthiwa ngitholakala nento enjalo
okay
ukukhuluma akazizwe but kunesikhulu sakazi la budget athumela ibhasi le Free State labuya nefamily
ngayizwa le Grootman ngayizwa it's true man it's true like bra ngiyakutshela ivar dog ivar and whoever uzohetheka hethwa ilento engikhuluma la umuntu oyi straight beneficiary salento engikhuluma ngayo la yabo le nto le so ngibengisasho ngithi kwi center engisebenza kuyona bro I'm the youngest ne at this age you understand it pains me bro ukucabanga ukuthi kunezingane ezino 18 years mina ngaqeda isigele ngina 17 bro you understand kunezingane ezina 18 years bro as unemployed emakuba work on ama funds ukuthi zihambe ziyofunda mhlambe kuma tertiary level you understand ngiyayazi lento ukuthi ku social media wonke umuntu ufuna ukuvela as if uphumelele you understand but in reality thina asithimina ngithenga ubuso mina what you see is what you get bra ekhona ama camera engekho ama camera nje yabo lento le
ngifuna sikhulume indaba ngoba emajele ninama ezuyiwada i-relationship yakho neyiboshwa and kokunye kuthiwa amawada yiwo agcine emokola izinto enza inangenisa izinto but before we go there ngifuna ngikazela ukuthi ngiyacabanga ngiyibuka indaba uNandiva is pregnant and she's pregnant and
ayikho le nto le angeke ngazi but mina ngokwazi kwami ayikho le nto from into engayizwa kwathi ayikho le nto angazi ke kodwa
she's not pregnant
hayi
ekanti ungaphikile
ngiyakutshela nami yona into engayizwa le like for real ukhumbule phela these days ne emajele abantu besifazane amadoda wasavumeliwe totally akusafani na before manje like emajele abafazi ndoda kusebenza strictly abafazi because bro iqiniso nalo yabona mfethu uma ujele ngihlezi ngizwa abantu bethi hey wena ucabanga ukuthi ujele ucabanga ukuthi umuntu enkulu ungakusho lokho ungakagaxeli angisinto enkulu vele kuwena mangingakagaxeli mawungakagaxeli bra mina ngishathi uyimiliyoni elifika phi yabona ujele mawusuphambi kwakhe ne la kushayena khona u5 lawo mamiliyoni yakho uyawakhola ningezwe lezi bosho mfethu mayifika kulama platforms intshela ukuthi thina siyayidalela lapho kwasho kwacima ojele bashaya yabona isibosho mfana msishaya sichame siboshe makufanele ndoda
uthini man
ngiyadlala wena bayazi lento engiyikhuluma la I dare ukuthi oyedwa wabayiphikise lento engiyiringa la benga lo beniphamisela inombolo ebhedayo la bebelo benitshela amanga ngejele la mina ngikutshela straight bro wami otshele ukwazi ujelo yedwa njengoba uhlala ubezwe benza ngazathi ukwazi iphoyisa into elula like bra likwazi uzobona mina la ngisebenza khona I think about 2 or 3 years back zikhona iboshe zakutry lokho hamba ubuza ukuthi zikwenzakalana afterwards
bakutry kuwe
my colleagues I understand bro it's like they make it seem like makuthiwa ungena enombolweni hamba ugwazalela phoyisa it's easy like that ukuthi uzovela uthatha ummese ukhokho obuhambe ugwazalela phoyisa bra yabona ujele yenye nenadlala nenojele bakushaya mngani wami buza ibosho yabona ubona noma isiphi isibosho ne estradini masibona ujele sithi baba ende lo baba hayi ukuthi ubaba nje uyazi ukuthi why ethi baba bra wami bra wami ujele bawubamba Chris mina ngihlezi ngizwa labantu lo ngokuze ngoba ujele uzenza ngathi into enkulu yeah ma ungenasi isihlobo esiboshiwe or wena ungaboshiwe angilutho wena but wena uye ngale ngisho kuthiwa i-multimillionaire Chris wena uye ngale uyongazi umuntu ongelutho phambi kwakho manje kanje uyongazi ugqoka uorange ukuthi ngiyini nguNkulunkulu phambi kwakho
hayibo
I'm telling you straight bro ibosho kumele zitshele ivari ziyayazi lento ntwana ivari kumele iringwe le yabona bro isibosho masisejele yonke indlela yokuphila siyicele ephoyiseni bro
kanjani
ingako ngizonda mina ibosho mazilozenza ngazathi izona eshaw 5 ejele lamaphoyisa akhohlakele ejele iwona nikeza ibosho ipower yokucabanga ukuthi izona erun ejele akukho njalo bro and ejele ne akhona ama member akhohlakele akhona ama member angakhohlakele ngakayisho leyo nto akhona ama member thatha inombolo yayizwa leyo nto le akhona ama member mfethu aphakathi kulezi zinto zezigebengu akhona angahlangene isidalo naleyo nto xoxela angenandaba futhi naleyo nto yabo so laba aba crooked benza ngazathi sonke sinjengaba sikho njengaba and ngiyakutshela iphoyisa lasejele eligangayo akekho umuntu ogangayo ejele oyiphoyisa okungaziwa ukuthi uyaganga yena engayitshela ukuthi akwaziwe ukuthi uyaganga Chris you understand but ejele ayikho imfihlo number 1 yayizwa leyo nto ayikho imfihlo ejele bengakukhohlisi bra wami leyo ukuthi uzongivalela ekhoneni uChris uthi eksem nkomondo mfethu ngicela ungishayele lehenze bese ucabanga ukuthi kuyophelela phakathi kwethu akwenzeki kanjalo akwenzeki kanjalo and wazi wasetshenziswa isibosho esisodwa uzokusebenzisa ibosho ejele la utshela umuntu yabona namhlanje uthi ke ngibhodle yabona namhlanje uthi ke ngibhodle ngichazele kahle ukuthi lento ihamba kanjani yakhumbula last time ngathi emsebenzini ngirana ama office awu2 ne office le recreation ne office la ma shop yayizwa leyo nto noma isiphi isibosho sobe sibuka le episode sokutshela yabona iphoyisa la se recreation ejele uNkulunkulu uyeboshwa loyo asikho isibosho sisejele singafisa ukujwayelana nephoyisa lese recreation iphoyisa lese recreation ngayisho lento na last time ukuthi aningizwanga kahle yonke into esejele ingena ngokomthetho through wena iphume ngokomthetho through wena ayikho into engena without your consent actually when middle field u engine yabona ka recreation into engayifunda khona ukuthi i recreation officer may perform emsebenzini wayo angeke uzizwe into zoma stepping izinto zokuphakama ejele hayi but recreation may fail emsebenzini wayo most likely ijele lizoba chaotic i-midfielder ejele u-Iniesta wejele noma ngizothi ubani uJavi Iniesta Rodri you understand like uKevin De Bruyne wejele you understand umuntu wase recreation yayizwa leyo nto then umuntu wase recreation ajiye futhi arana ama shop akwenzeki lama office lilodwa ioffice lama office li stress lilodwa yayizwa leyo nto recreation nje lilodwa i stress let alone warana wo2 and warana successfully zonke ibosho ezibi center yami zingaphisa noma zingavumelana nalento engisho ayizwe lento le ugrana ko2 successfully ngesikhathi esizodwa asikho isibosho esingafuni ukwazana nawe ejele lapho asikho isibosho ngeke usazi ngoba ziyathanda nokuyiveza ukuthi mina ngiyini nginani yabo ezama millionaires uzozazi
ngiyakhuluma uthi
uzozazi and the pra ngithi usebenza njengase recreation ngine crew yebosho engisebenza nayo recreation ngine crew yebosho engisebenza nayo ema shop you understand zonke and yabo makusase nama big 5 ejele kunenye crew ekuthiwa ama big 5 yabo makusase nama big 5 ejele ayikho into yoba i-secret ejele
bakhuluma labo bantu
mina ngiyimi nje uthi ngikhulume out loud lento mina ngazi indaba ndoda ngama member ahloniphekile emsebenzini yayizwa leyo nto amanyawo yabo ngazi izinto engathi mangibatshela emahlweni abo ukuthi wena 1 2 3 4 5 angabamba umlomo umuntu angazi nokuthi sihlu ithatha blend you understand why ila ma position out webe ngwagijima ngithi lezi bosho ziyafuna ukwazana nami ziyafuna and kufana nomuntu othi mhlawumbe uzofuna ukungibhayizisa wenza into eseceleni ngiyotshelwa izona kuqala makuthiwa kunesimokolo mhlawumbe abafuna ukusifaka via ishop lengiranayo ngizotshelwa ama big 5 eprama big 5 awalala endleleni and abantu abayihluphekela ejele leyo ivar abantu abayihluphekela ejele laba ama big 5 fethu mawulo muntu njengami ejele mawurana la uma office o2 une access izinto zase shop une access recreation eprang yakutshela sikho isibosho singafuni ukusondelana nawe bro mina ngike ngavalelwa yiboshwa several times ekhoneni zifuna ukungenza izinto you understand my thing is ngena kule department sengimdala and sengike ngayiphatha imali serious before yabo awukwazi ukuthi ngingaluza umsebenzi noma ngixoshwe emsebenzini ngokuthi uzongibribe ngemali engacacile even if it icacile leyo mali ikhechi la uma uthatha ibribe ejele lo muntu othatha kuyibribe akayindawo uzoloke la you understand makuthiwa i-traffic office uthatha ibribe lo muntu othatha kuyibribe usengangaphinda umbone thola ukuthi uChris ubeyidlulele ephuma eThekwini mhlambe eGoli sihlangana lapha ngase Montrose ngiyakumisa you understand ngibona iphutha kuwena unginika leyo George uyahamba you understand ayikho risk ethini lapho lo wami mina makuthiwa ngicabanga ukuthatha amajojo la ngibangela inkinga ezizokhama mina la uyibangela inkinga ezizokhama wena la bro wami
uyakhuluma ibo
yabo and ejele ne kunama cartel kuma members ne kunama cartel bro mina ngunkomonde kanje sengiyaqhubeka mhlambe ngithambulwa yiboshwa yabo zingithembisa ukhatho othile mawukuthi ngiyafola for leyo trap ngiyayithatha leyo nto uawe ukuthi mayisuka la kimi ngingakayideliver nokuyideliver lento ngisesivumelene awuseliyazi ijele ukuthi ubaba ngelangeli kanje uzodrop into kanje ayikho imfihlo ejele and ama rumors asejele wajwayela ukuba amanga isikhathi esiningi sisebenza endaweni ecritical kabi thina dog ama rumors alendawo engisipana kuyona awajwayela ukuba amanga kuyenzeka sometimes kuthiwa amanga but 80 to 90% of the time ama rumors asejele asuka yiqiniso sibali so nje angikwazi ukuthi like mina ayingiphi ingqondo lento bro ngisasemncane kamanye mngaka dog I understand and mina umsebenzi wami ngubuka as a stepping stone to be honest I understand I feel like uNkulunkulu mfethu usangidalela ukuthi ngiye kude nempilo I understand le nto leyo bra ukuze ngifike ku60 ndoda ngiseneminyaka eminingi ngabe ngisalele angikwazi ukuthi ngabe sengibuka leSpane as iFinal Destination. Another time ngisaSpane I used to say the same thing ukuthi guys I don't think ngizoba la for the rest of my life. Yabo le nto le nala is the same thing. Yabo i-experience engifundisa okuningi njengoba ngihamba kuyona, but I don't think iFinal Destination le ngisasemncane bra sadinga nokukeleza ngikhule bafethu amajazi ambalwa ngisengawathatha nje before ngiba na 50 bafethu come on. And mangathiwa ngiserious futhi like u50 ungashaya mhlambe ngiyi-youngest president mangathiwa ku possible
ne.
Yeah, understand. I'm 35 now. Le nto it's in 15 years bro. Yayibona ukuthi I'm young bro. Mina nawe siyalingana sishana ngonyaka. Yeah, understand. Umdala ngonyaka like kuselingana bro. Man. Well, but it's lost 50 iminyaka for it bro. Yabo ngiyiphathe kahle for umuntu ona 35 ukuthi ngingabi na scratch ngingabothuki at this age. So why ngizoba namahloni ngeage am bro. Yabo le nto le. So into engifuna ukisho bafethu sibhekane nesambane nje all in all yabo. And enye into futhi engifuna ukuyicacisile, as much as ngithanda ukuengage ne society ngibatshela ukuthi abadlalele kude go crime nakuphi kuphi, bra iqiniso la kunzima ukutshela umuntu olambile nongenayo into ongamnika yona ukuthi akenzeni. Let's face it bra, you understand? Ungaba i-motivational speaker ugcine la uthanda khona ntanga, you understand? Awunayo ipower yokutshela umuntu ongeke uzumsize ngafokolo ukuthi akenzeni. Yayizwa leyo nto le. Abanye abantu bra bakwi crime not ngoba bethanda. Khona abantu abakwi crime bra but ngokwenhliziyo zabo nangama personalities zabo ba abantu bra balunge ngendlela eyisimanga. Yayizwa leyo nto le but ithumbu ne liyam drive ekutheni nagcine eyogebenga. Njengoba ngisho ngithi njengoba ngina 35 mina dog kuyimi like the youngest member khona currently ngingayimela lento. Currently I'm the youngest dog. From 18 years to 34 years bapha abantu. Yibo laba baphenduka izibotho, yibo laba baphenduka iziboshwa sibagade, yibo laba sibangcwaba each and every weekend, yibo laba bra, yibo laba babothokazi jike senze ngaba ama example sizenze ngazathi singcono kunabo. And abanye babehlakanipha ukudlula thina. Ya understand ngenxa yokuthi thina singene kule msebenzi due to nepotism, due to ukbribe nokulalwa, sibiza labantu ngomahlalela. Usithatha phi isibindi sokubiza umunye umuntu ngomahlalela ungangenanga ngendlela eright emsebenzini? Ungene ngecorruption to begin with emsebenzini, but namhlanje ngoba usulapha usune nerve yokubiza abantu ngomahlalela. And labo bantu uthola ukuthi abantu abahlakaniphile kunawo, ukuyintotha abantu abama hard workers kunawo, ukuyintotha abantu aba academically smart kunawo. But simply because abekho connected njengawe bahleli balambile ba end up begange egcineni. So kumele siyikhulume leyo nto, isitha somuntu omnyama kulomhlaba, umuntu omnyama bafethu. Ithina esilahla ama CV yala lezi ingane zakwethu kumele isebenze siqashe abantu ngokungemthetho. Baningi abantu abakule msebenzi esisebenza amngana mawungathi ulanda nama academic records aba baqualify ukubala. Abanye banabo ngisho matric bra. Let's face it, ivarle. Yabona makungathiwa mfethu kune vetting system serious econductwa abantu aba willing ukubona i-change eSouth Africa ne. Kungena kuwo wonke lama government departments kwenziwa i-vetting serious, maningi ama member nga dismisswa due ukuthi awa qualify ukuba kwi system. Maningi dog. Maningi. Ngifunga ngamathuna abazali bam prom baningi.
Ngibona mashusha i-statement lapha epolice station da phoyisa ukubhala nje statement. And what pains me the most bro ukuthi lezi zinto engishoyo nepotism nokubribe no nama sex ukuze abantu baqasheke, lezi zinto zibreed incompetence sibali emsebenzini. Zibreed incompetence ngendlela eyisimanga sibali. You understand? Umuntu olalwa umphathi wenu makuthiwa ni delegate ama duties mayithena akafuna ukwenza ukuthi uzomceba kuba ureportwa kubani
lokuhamba
ingane kaSibanibani uma wayo noma ubaba wayo kuyena o decide ngento ezithile uzoyireporta kubani. You understand? And mind you brane yabo mina ne one thing engiyithanda ngami as much as ngibelieve ukuthi ngina ukukhuluma iqiniso yabo, into engiyithanda ngami yodwa ekukhulumeni kwami iqiniso anginayo inhliziyo yokuxoshisa omunye umuntu omnyama emsebenzini bra wami. Ayizwa lonto mina ukubani ngiyinyoka yomuntu ne not food only la ngisebenza khona manje kusuka nala ngangisebenza khona emuva yezwa ngingafisa ukuthi kuphuma umuntu oyedwa public ashathi unkomondi waka participator befuna ukungixoshisa emsebenzini not even one. That's why ingoba ngiya understand bro wami ukuthi mangixoshisa wena emsebenzini angixoshwe wena emsebenzini kune army yabantu engingayazi enamathele la iqolo lakho you understand mangixoshisa wena ngihluphekisa inqwaba yabantu behind you uyabo leyo nto le mina amajita la ngisebenza khona today laba abaganga abanye bayokutshela ukuthi lo mjito akanqeni ukulanda straight akutshela athi ndoda ngiyazi ukuthi wenzani yeka lento yenzayo I'm that guy bro abra angikwazi ukujabuliswa ukuxoshisa umunye umuntu esipanini no ways dog angina inhliziyo evil kanjalo ngikhulele ngihlezi ngisho lento mina ngikhulele ekhaya lihlupheka bro you understand yimi nabafowethu basekhaya saxosha indlala ekhaya you understand angena namhlanje act ngathi angiyazi inhlupheko uyayibona leyo nto le ngijabuliso kuyolahlekisela abanye abantu imisebenzi mina ngikutshela ukuthi in my unyaka wami 17 lo ngisebenza kanti government ngafisa kuqhamuka oyedwa eze nanobufakazi ukuthi usihle wa participate ngixoshwe akekho noyi1 anginayo leyo nhliziyo bra
but yiphi mfethu inangizana irole edlala ngama-warden lapha ejele for ukuncedisa ukuthi abantu ababoshiwe baphume at least umqondo engathi umuntu owenza icrime asikhulume ngabantu abenza icrime umuntu ubulela izingane or uraphile wabulala wenza lezo zinto lezo nina njengamawana lo muntu lo nimtreat kanjani
ibosho zonke itreatwa ngokufana Chris even two abusha uGanda ngempama wagcina ugwetshiwe uyotreatwa ngokufana nerapist nemurderer masungaphakathi there's no bathini lento le akukho ukuthi wena mhlambe uzotreatwa ngendlela ethile because icrime yakho ilenient inyana no
but do you think like it's not fair ukuthi mhlambe i-serial killer ihlale like basendaweni eyi1 ne-rapist nomuntu owenze i-shoplifting ne-fraud.
I think let's understand it, guys. First and foremost, I do believe we don't have enough jails in South Africa. You understand? And the jails that we have today, ama-jail akhiwa many years ago, akhiwa i-system ya-oppression. Angazi mhlambe it's one or two makungathiwa bangikhombisa amajele akhiwe sekune democracy. You understand? So ayikho leyo preferential treatment kumajele. You understand? Mawugwetshiwe inkantolo uyisiboshwe nje kuphelela lapho. Ukuthi wenzeni sekukwakho noNkulunkulu wakho lokho.
Amajele kunomuntu oyiranayo ngithi. Like a party jail, like say for instance iSun City. iSun City no muntu njenge police station ihead. So low head leyo hiyo ebeka ama rules or ama rules ayafana yonke indawo mhlamba abekwe egovernment. I'm asking this because like ngiyacabanga ukuthi hey angazi noma ngiyayizwa lento le. Yabona into le khona lensazele bekhuluma ukuthi la yena bekaboshwe khona bayafunda bayasebenza like it's compulsory baboshiwe kodwa njalo bevuka ekseni bayenza whatever bani 9 to 5 bayahola leyo mali abayiholayo iyo bathenga ngayo futhi phakathi ejele yabo bayafunda bayenza zonke lezo zinto. So ngiyazibuza ukuthi okay imithetho yasejele yenza ugovernment kuphela or ihead.
Bafethu ngizoba brutally honest again. Hey. Ama-head bra o area commissioner kufana ukuthi ubaba noma umama waleyo management area iphethwe uyena. Ngaphansi kwakhe kune umbrella yama managers, you understand? A delegate kuwona ama duties, you understand leyo nto le. Ipolice yamajele wonke yafana. Akuna head engashintsha ipolice ejele, you understand? Wonke amajele ayafana yena ukuthi enze sure ukuthi izinto zirana according to indlela ekumele sirane ngayo la. Yabo leyo nto le. Uthinta elinye iport mokhuluma ngale ndaba yalo siso wathi waboshwe eHong Kong, yabo. Kuningi i-South African jail system ekumele kufunde from lamazwa ngaphandle brawami yabo leyo nto le khona into ekakhulunywa uGeneral Mkhwanazi ethi le budget ekhishwa every year eqondane neziboshwa zase correctional services kumele ivalwe ngiyavumelana naye because njengoba ingane na 34 to ingane na 18 la ngisebenza khona ingekho le mali bingenza lezi ingane zibe khona lapha you understand imali engasiza ukuthi kuqashwe ama member maningi kuqiniswe ilokhuzana isecurity yezwe kuwo wonke ama departments ama arm of services you understand leyo imali bingasiza ekuthenini kube khona i-raise kwimiholo yama public servants bafethu angifuni ukunifihlela mina ukuba i-public servant la namhlanje it's a disgrace it's a disgrace bro yabona abantu ababe ama public servants ngama 80s 90s those people libona abantu aba enjoy kuba ama public servants eSouth Africa ubuke ama location indawo laba bethenga khona imizi ne quality yemizi ababeyithenga ubuke equality empilo ababeyiphila you understand leyo nto le ama government employees I would say awange apartheid regime either black or white ake nginje black yabo babe afford impilo decent than us today you understand babe kwazi ukuthi indoda nje ayikwazi ukutshela unkosikazi ukuthi noma abafazi bayababili ukuthi hlalani la ekhaya ngizoyosebenza isebenze ibathengele umuzi endaweni eright enevalue ayizalona athenge ifurniture right athenge imoto right kuphileke kahle ekhaya mangizwa mina correctional services before kuphatha lezi impanga ephethe manje correctional services vethe imali yama overtime abantu babethenga ngayo imizi babethenga ngayo imoto not salary and lokhu kubona ngani ukuthi kuyiqiniso kuma older members ase correctional services most uzothola kuwothisha ku amanesi like ba retire ba resigner from kuma departments ababe kuona ngaleso sikhathi beze correctional ngoba correctional iyayikhokhela you understand leyo nto le it was one of ama departments ay well paying we country you understand leyo nto le until kuze kuba abantu abamnyama bayiphethe njengoba sekuqala kuba khona ubusasa njengoba sekuba khona indaba zamathenda sekuphucwa ama employees ase correctional services lama allowance you understand namhlanje ngingasho ngingasabi ngithi correctional services as it stands I think it's the least paid department ku security cluster la South Africa it's the least paid sure. Brawam you understand and all thanks to abonqonde eBalfu la ngithi mangikhuluma ngabo openly ubona amaXhosa kuba yibona baba defendayo isizwe sakwaXhosa ngiyasithanda impela yazi mina ngifuna ukuyicacisa lento angisi tribalist and I will never be because abazali bami angizalwa abazali abayi tribe eyodwa yabo abazali bami ama cultures amixile yayibona leyo nto le I'm the last person ongazoba yi tribalist yayibona leyo nto le but iqiniso kumele silikhulume mfethu reason why Eastern Cape yohlala underdeveloped yohlala iphuwa yohlala inabantu futhi abaphuwa majority abantu abangasebenzi bese Eastern Cape it's because Eastern Cape loyal to amasimba dog majority ama freedom fighters akule country majority abantu esibabiza ngama icon struggle akule country abase Eastern Cape bra
ayakuvunya
but ayikho into etangible abake bayenza beyenzele Eastern Cape bra you understand and yet mawuzokhuluma kanjalo out loud ngabantu abangamaXhosa ukhuluma kanje yiwo amaXhosa kuqala se-Eastern Cape azokuthuka akutshela ukuthi uqamba manga mina kulama platform bra ngihlala kulezi indawo ngiunderstand ukuthi abantu engikhuluma nabo ngikhuluma nabantu abangangizala you understand kule episode mayiphuma kuzobe kunabantu abangangizala bayilalele kuzobe kunabantu engingabelama kuzobe kunabantu abalingana nami nabangaphansi kwami you understand angikwazi ukuze kulama platform ngizothenga ubuso ngiqamba manga bro wami and kunabantu abahlakaniphile kunami futhi abalalela lezi zinto esizikhulumayo la you understand angikwazi ukuzothenga ubuso noma ngifuna ukuthandwa for into engekho amaXhosa bro wami isizwe esistrong lesa ngokwe history yaso isizwe futhi esinabantu abahlakaniphile ne but reason why singasoze saya phambili singasoze futhi sayibona igrowth amaXhosa too intelligent wodwa awakwazi ukuconnecta bona bebodwa you understand umXhosa wase PE ufuna ukuprovela umXhosa wase East London ukuthi ubuXhosa bakhe bongcono kunalo yamXhosa yabo leyo nto le bese maqhamuka umZulu njengami from outside bafuna ukuteam up bethuke mina bengaface inkinga abanayo amalokhuzana wonke umuntu oyipart and parcel ye-struggles ase Eastern Cape in my eyes we useless bro because ibuka njengamanje not so long ago i-grandson kaMandela yacishe yalimala le ko-Israel ihamba ngemkhumbi iyolwisa into zase-Israel uphi makuxakeka i-Eastern Cape akaveli ngani into enza Eastern Cape maxaye Eastern Cape ayibona lento engizama ukisho bra abantu bakwaXhosa ne bra abathandani bebodwa abana i-unit bebodwa ba too clever ukuthi bengaba ne-unit bebodwa so makuzoqhamuka umuntu omzulu njengami because kunenye video kwenye ama episodes ami ku page lami la kwaNkomondo ku YouTube bakwadiswa ukuthi ngangikhuluma ngokuthi uNgcondo eBalfour mfethu wasfaila as a minister bafuna ukudefenda lowo dodi loyo that guy ilokhuzane brawam history yomkhumbula njengomuntu waye useless owacindezela abantu abamnyama ngoba ngikutshela namhlanje correctional service we are the least paid department bro and mawulandelela maybe 25 plus years or 20 years ago we were highest. Like exactly then uyibizani lento
then you've been dropping
I understand but uzobona once lento amaXhosa ngangizwa ngisho yiwa uqala yongithuka
ukufakazela ngomXhosa mara ngomXhosa owazalelwa la eSoweto
ngishayela ikholi lapha
ngomXhosa owazalelwa la eSoweto so
asingaba advertise
I've seen
no mkai cup my brothers oh so
I've seen indlu la I've seen la uNgcondo eBalfour abuya khona by Eastern Cape ne ngukukala nje story nami mina ngumuntu beke hamba ngiobserve indawo ngibheka
ringa ithi ngizohamba
yabo ngumuntu othe meke hamba observe nami ngaconclude ngokuthi amaXhosa ama sell out why ngisho njalo ubona uJacob Zuma singamgxeka sithini wasebenzela amaZulu noma ngusuthu walwela amaZulu thina we had Abo Mandela Thabo Mbeki
ayingayekela ungabusaqhubeka yabona nje makhulumeka ama
Bravo Steve Biko Chrisani
uMandela waziwa
Winnie Mandela
umhlaba wonke but mawe mfethu eko Eastern Cape lapho aphuma khona
mina I have relatives now yes abangafuni ukubuyela Eastern Cape one of my grandfathers bathi wafika la eGauteng ana 10 wazowashona ana 80 something angakaza libhadi futhi Eastern Cape yes when I asked such questions bathi khona ilambe bona kungiphendula ngayo bathi Eastern Cape is far from life ama relative asedlala Eastern Cape is far from life yeah ufuna ukurelate to basi Eastern Cape masibuye kunabantu abafuna ukubuya nathi strangers yabona once wame town pakimoto bona ngumuntu angene taxi acha kona mimi wafuna ukungena ngenkazi taxi nasibuyele eGauteng ngathi ngigodukana sabona phambi kateri lasihlala khona eBhofolo safika kunama book enzakala ngathi kune hurricane kwafika endaweni zonke izindlu ziphuka ama window cishe 90% ezindlu ziphuka ama window ne kwenze kube ne low shedding hlele kumnyama but ngiyabona kunendle eyi-1 like maybe 5 houses from Lasiko kunendle eyi-1 enkulu elighting ngithi endlu kabani le wadwa lapho Kabo Premier lapho Kabo Premier Eastern Cape with lapho mongubheka usho kunamajuju tank abo my 4 kune electric fence kulayitile ama solar indawo yonke imnyama hayi kudamaXhosa le
and lo muntu bona bayamuweshipa bamthanda
nami into engikhorayo mfana
and guys ngicela nje ukuphuma kancane off topic yabo I think kumele sithinte entweni zokuthi bafethu siyibuyisa kanjani i-consciousness kuma masses i-political consciousness you understand siyibuyisa kanjani i-self belief you understand we race yabo nakuma tribes is now yabo le nto le kunosise ngimthandayo angimthandi umfazi womuntu angeke ngize ngithi ngimthanda ngokumthanda ngicacise le nto but ngithanda ingqondo yakhe ngithanda indlela acabanga ngayo ngithanda indlela nesibindi ngayo uyabo unosisa bathi uJacinta Ngobese we march in march ngifuna ukuyicacisa lento ne whoever onenkinga ozonda into ekhulunywa loyasisi noma ozonda izinto ezimelelo yasisi umuntu onenkinga enkulu akumele ayibheke ngaphakathi kuyena lo.
Yeah, true.
Yabona bafethu ukubani othi nje ukubani kuyangami mawungangibuza ezubaba ozele ne ngakujabulela ukuthi ingane zami zamantombazane zitshontshe okuningi kwicharacter kaJacinta then ama-influencer la ayibiza ngamabhedi msangane. I understand that ama-porn stars lawa acasha ngokuthi enza i-content yayibona leyo nto le. So kumele manje siqale kwi-society sifune ukugrooma more yamantombazana afana noJacinta. I understand leyo nto le. And singabagrooma kanjani le ngizoyikhuluma manje ingahle irabha abanye abantu the wrong way ne but iyivar bafowethu since ngazalwa mina ngikhulele Lady Smith ne intombi zomhlanga ngiyazazi from Lady Smith yayizwa leyo nto every year ngoSeptember siyazi ukuthi kiwe emhlangeni yayizwa leyo nto le ziya kuphi emhlangeni zizwe ziya kwisilo samabandla ziswe ziye ngonyameni lenyokeni kwaNongoma yayizwa leyo nto yinhle lento yokuthi intombi ihlolwe zigcine zizethola amadoda sesekhulile I understand zikwazile ukuyigcina but ngiconcerned ngento eyi1 mina bro since ngazalwa angiyiboni into ewumkomelo otholwa yilezi izingane ngokuya lapha enkomeni. Sometimes bafethu kumele siyi challenge authority. Ama traditional leaders are useless bro. Singaloke sibakhothamela sithini ba useless mnganami. Tshela mina mfethu most yamantombazana amazulu akhulela kuma background at disadvantaged disadvantaged backgrounds. I understand disadvantaged communities. I understand lezi ingane ziyayigcina ziba amajiji right zifuna ukuye emhlangeni lo obanjwa every year ne mfethu le u2 cents wami lo engicabangayo bekuyini ukuthi Royal House inkosi yona isilo samabandla sibe nento efana nokuthi mhlambe sinama scholarships or ama bursaries I understand ukuthi lezi ingane ezigcinayo maziqedwe matric zisama virgin zikwazi ukuba neaccess to tertiary level even though isimo sasekhaya singavumi ngoba funds I understand
moya amavision
yayizwa leyo nto le and maziya lapha ema tertiary uthola ukuthi every year zisaqhubeka ziyahlolwa ne mawuqede I degree yakho saseyintombi awukhokhi lutho back. Yeah, understand ngizwe. Yeah, awukhokhi lutho back ukuthi kade ufundiswa eRoyal Family.
Nomzali akuthethi wena iba intombi isikole sakho sorted.
Iba intombi isikole sakho uzofunda uqede. Yabo le nto le ukubani bekune compensation etholwa ilamantombazane bra. Number 1 bese ubreeder isizwe esinamantombazane ama intellectuals bra.
Not lama influencer.
Yeah, not lama influencer useless bro. I understand bese ubreeder abafazi aba equality kumadoda abazobe bebhekane nawo in future. Yayizwa leyo nto. So bese ngabreed okhamisa ngifake. So bese ngabreed amantombazane ancamela ukubulawa ngokuthi aphiwe imali lahleli khona. Yayizwa leyo nto. So bese breed amantombazane amaningi angaba ne political consciousness, I understand. Angaba ne financial stability. Yayizwa leyo nto le. And if usikwazi ukuwina kulelo side lempilo bra okuningi singawina kukona. So mina and not only lesilo esikhona manje even ubaba waso umdlokombane isilo lesakhothama esasikhona before ayikho into esasiyenza ukuthi sicompensate lezi ingane zama virgins end up ziba izibotho zotshwala kuhlekiswa ngazo ukuthi wena wawuhamba umhlanga waphelela la. I understand zihambe izaliswa abantu abahlukene and nakhona lapha enyokeni maziye emhlangeni bra wami tshela ivar inkosi nabangani bayo bayayipenda lezi ingane ivarle
azeli lo futhi mina ngizomcorrect mina yazi ngithatha but ngizwa bathi amatshitshi lapha so that inkosi izopointa mhlambe mfunayo efuna ukumshada something
ngicela ukubamba lapho kanti ngicela ukubamba lapho saselapho makuukuthi ifuna ukupointa emfunayo kulamatshitshi ne number 1 icategory yomfazi inkosi eyifunayo umfazi onjani cause phela kumele kube nama categories yabo le nto le
ingafuna umfazi every year
yabo le asicacise yabo le nto umswazi uyayenza lento bra yabo umswazi uyayenza and into ebhlungu mina ngami ngizalwa yiwo uthula
akaphili
yabo lento mina ngizalwa umZulu nomSwati ne ngiyangena wothula ama tribe lawo bra wami amakhosi ngiyawahlonipha by the way ngifuna ukuthi lento mayizwakala hayi ukuthi ngidisrespectful ne like by all due respect njengoba ngikhuluma kanje yabo amakhosi bra ama useless number 1 ubukhosi esingalo sishonelena le mfethu ngifuna ukuyicacisa bafethu ngicela ukuyicacisa lento mina ngikhathele ukuthi sineshuka kothi izinto
ngoba ngomjikwane kanjani
wait ngizwe Chris anengiphazamisa bafethu aningizwe
no asibe yehlisa kancane brother ungasho ukuthi useless wothi ezinye izinto abazenzi
wothi kutshela something ne unayincusa
unayincusa
Mawungahlala ungabi active empilweni yengane yakho kusuka izalo izibe ngangawe ingakwazi empilweni yayo kumele ithini mayihlangana nawe kumele ithi babi kuhloniphe
not
okay ke aqedile siqedile okay mhlambe I choice of word ibe wrong yabo ngakuvuma lo
asithi lenenye indlela yabo kumele
okay ithi ngiqoqulimi kangcono Chris yabo amakhosi omdabu umsebenzi abawenzayo asuuboni kwisociety mina ngokunderstanda kwami kingship usibale and la abasayenza basasibonisa khona kahle lento inkosi ingaphezulu kwa president into yokuqala enimele niyazi inkosi akumele izwe ngepresident ipresident ekumele izwe ngenkosi ayikho eSouth Africa inkosi etshela ipresident
mhlawumbe ngithi bathola imali sekuneyimali mhlawumbe iphuma
ngizwe ntama ningangiphazamisa ngoba ngiyophinde ngenze enye choice of word wrong futhi bese ngifuna yabo emfethu yabona eUK basakudemonstrate perfect lento ihierarchy ne ilapha phezulu bese kuthi iparliament liba below yona yabo lento yenzeke eSwazini ubukhosi busebenza kanjalo not go to South Africa and why bungenzeki eSouth Africa ne it's because amakhosi esina amakhosi athengiwe mfethu
ukuthi maningi
no engaba maningi amakhosi lalela xoxela amakhosi ngaba ubuningi bomamkhosi abunankingi mina njengomuntu okhulele KZN ne siyazi ukuthi sinendlunkulu sinesilo samabandla KZN ne bese kuba ukuthi njengebongo mhlambe kwaMhlongo isibongo sakaMhlongo isibongo sasebukhosini leso yabo isibongo sakaMthethwa isebukhosini lapha yabo le izibongo ethile ngokuhlukana kwazo izibongo zasebukhosini lezo ingawo ngithi mina ukubaningi kwamakhosi akusho lutho ngoba egcineni emaningi enjalo lawo makhosi asubmita to isilo siba sisodwa
yabo kanjani like when the example Eswazini there's only one king there's only one language which is Swati UK amangisi there's only one king and there's a prime minister la sinamaXhosa sinamaZulu sinamavenda sinamaTsonga letwa ngithi mani bengakhulumi ngenkosi bese namachief
aphinde khona nakaZulu aphinda
but
inkosi yakathelezi inkosi yakho
but bafethu ke ne ngazathi sesiyayilahla itrain yalento ebengifuna ukuyisho mina manje
ngiyacela sesivale mabra
yeah it's before ngivala ngoba ususaba ukuthi ngizokhuluma ivala ufuna ukungivala but yena ngifuna ukuyicacisa le mhlambe ngiyaxolisa ngokuthi ngibe ne choice of word
yeah
ukuthi ngithi amakhosi useless I'm sorry but iqiniso nalo bafowethu yabo amakhosi omdabu awabonakala nawe empilweni zabantu mfethu ababaholayo yayizwa leyo nto bra wami akwazi ukuthi uhole isizwe ongena input kusona sibari awuna input esizweni sakho bra kodwa kumele sijabulele ukuthi masikubona sigwace ayenzi sense leyo nto bra and njengayo lento edingisho ngithi amantombazana ahamba umhlanga Chris akube khona into abacompensatewa ngaye eCatch engahle banikeze ikusasa
elincane ukuthi bayilana emhlangeni
hayi ukuthi mfethu every year kumele kiwe emhlangweni mfethu iphathi mandla ethile sizocuthela izingane ezincane ukuthi ziyithathe ziyilana lapha zini kama allowance ngoba ziyazi lezi izingane iphuma emakhaya ahluphekayo yayibona leyo nto le phela yona into eyenziwayo lapha bro so mina bekuyisifiso sami sokuthi amakhosi awakangenelele ezintweni mhlawumbe ezipolitical ezweni nawo abe nezwi you understand bra awabe ne participation ekutheni kugrunywe isizwe esiyoba fruitful in future dog. Asingaloku esihlonipha umuntu ngoba sihlonipha ukuthi sazi ukuthi uyinkosi kodwa imisebenzi ebengayenzi mfethu yabo leyo nto le with all due respect akusiyo ukuthi ngiyadelela lokho yabo iqinisa linashukela nganza kwethu awukwazi ukuthi uzala ingane kusuka izalwa awunasandla usifaka empilweni yakho ayikwazi nokukwazi eduze kwayo base egcineni ufuna ukuthi leyo ngane ihloniphe kanjani bro kanjani izokuhlonipha kanjani
ubiza ngodudu
uzomiwa nje uzobayela umzali othi ngoba ngiyakuzala kumele ungibize ngobaba udoti leyo nto bra so nakulesimo engisishoyo ke yeah izothi useless and nakhona rightfully so more useless bro kodwa ngiyaxolisa kule yandawo engisho
no my brother asibone next time
bafethu ngicela before ngivale ngicela ukusho something bafethu Chris ngeke ngakutshela lento off camera ndoda ukuthi ngangacabanga ukuthi ukukhanda content ku expensive ngalendlela bra it's so damn expensive ukukhanda content and ngina more than 30 abantu mfethu abafuna ngivakashela izikole abafundisa kuzona you understand inkingi ila abafowethu kuma public schools abana ama-funds ukuthi bengang yabo angidingi nokubhukwa by the way angidingi ukukhokhelwa mina yabo but angikwazi uku-exhaust ama resources enginawo mfethu upetrol uyabiza yabo leyo nto le and lezi indawo zihlukahlukene
zingakuphi
mfethu all over but most KZN Gauteng neMpumalanga yabo leyo nto
sosukhapha siqala because bengifuna nami ukunika izingane ama sanitary towels so mhlawumbe ngakhapha isikoleni kwezinye zezikole ngakhapha
ngakujabulela lokho so into engifuna ukuyisho kwi-public ukuthi nganza kwethu phakathi kwenu ngiyazi ukuthi akhona amalunda yalazi ilunda ngithi akhona amalunda phakathi kwenu bafowethu mina nge-spare time sami I'm available ukuthi ngingaphendula labantu abathi ngize ezikoleni ngizokhuluma ne-youth but ngidinga funding Chris lento idinga imali bro yabo leyo nto le ngidinga funding ngi-available nanoma yipi i-province ngingafika as long as kune funding behind mina yabo leyo nto
transport ukhona ukufika hotel ufika ulale
exactly yabo leyo so enye into yiloko engicelayo okwesibili bafethu
ba contact kanjani because ngicela ba contact wena straight
okay ngisho number yami straight
angazi but it's up to you
okay ku TikTok nguNkomonde ngiyatholakala ku inbox
active futhi
ku TikTok active nakuphi inamba yami mfethu
I know right
abayithole ku TikTok ngeke
ushuthi bakufollow kanjani ku TikTok
Nkomonde onewash eceleni bazongibona mfethu yabo angifaka ama filter lapha nginjena ku TikTok
then bazo abantu laba bafuna
ngiyadinga bafethu ukuthi ningifande angingedwa futhi bakhona abantu engisebenza nabo who are willing ukuthi bangijoyine kulendlela sikhulume nomphakathi sikhulume ne-youth sizama ukuyikhombisa i-youth ukuthi lento ye-gangsterism lento yoku-idolize izinto ezingeze zibaproducele i-future enomusa phambili abaqhelelane nazo itshele bafethu sengivala nje akusindawo ehlala umuntu ophilayo le ungafisi ukuhlala lapha kubukeke ngazathi kumnandi mawusengaphandle Chris ngabe saxoxela bekutshela ngezinto ezenzeka phakathi
ama podcast
ubani lo mjita lo kade ngibiza ngondawonde seningibiza ngondawonde manje lekho lo mjita obela kade eshithi ngangikhuluma ivaru ubani uJakalasi ne yena Jakalasi ngunkomonde mina ngisuka kandawonde mfethu yabona mara ngithandile ivaru mjita nayo yabo last year Chris ngangithukwa mfethu ngithukwa amamembe engisebenza nawo ngithukwa yiboshwa ngale awareness ukuthi abantu abanga idolize ijele ngihappy namhlanje khona esinye isiboshwa bathi Mr Speaker that guy bra sengimlalele kaningi esho ukuthi uNkomonde uright ngalento ayishoyo yilo mjita uJakalasi bakhona baningi abanye ukuthi angeke ngibakhumbula amagama abo nganza kwethu angeke ngihlale kulama platform ngiqamba manga ngimdala kamanye imngaka yonke into engiyikhuluma la ngisuke ngine show ngayo wena ungangayithanda mhlambe kodwa kusho ukuthi amanga yayibona leyo nto le so kuwo wonke umuntu